शोबिस की दुनिया भी कितनी अनोखी है। जो बाहर से ही पिक्चर परफेक्ट दिखाई देता है वो हकीकत में वैसा होता नहीं है। फैंस को अक्सर ऐसा लगता है कि स्टार्स की लाइफ में बस हाई लेवल फेजेस ही होते होंगे एंड देयर इज नथिंग दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लो फेज इन देयर लाइफ, कि उनके फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटीज कुड नेवर हैव सच अ फेज। This lockdown has been like a roller coaster ride for each one of us, and it was no different for मेरे डैड की दुल्हन गुनीत एके श्वेता तिवारी। श्वेता काफी सुर्खियों में नजर आई हैं इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान, जब उनके एस्ट्रेन हस्बैंड अभिनव कोहली ने अपने और श्वेता के रिश्ते की कुछ निजी बातें सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर खुलासा कर दी। For the people who might not know, Shweta was married with Radha Chaudhary for 9 years and had a daughter named Palak Tiwari. Post her divorce with Raja, Shweta dated Abhinav Kohli, whom she had met on the sets of जाने क्या बात हुई in 2009. They were together for good 3 years, जिसके बाद दोनों ने शादी करने का फैसला किया। They finally tied the knot on July 13, 2013. मगर जो रिश्ता प्यार पे बना था उसमें जल्द ही खटास आने लग गई। 3 साल बाद ही यानी कि नवंबर 27, 2016 में श्वेता और अभिनव का डाइवोर्स हो गया। खबरों की मानी जाए तो श्वेता gave birth to her son Riyansh Kohli in 2016. Post which, the relation between the two of them went downhill. Going by the media reports, Shweta Tiwari had lodged a complaint of domestic violence against husband Abhinav Kohli in August 2019. In a recent statement issued by her daughter Palak Tiwari on social media, she revealed that Abhinav Kohli had also made inappropriate remarks about her on various occasions. She also said that her mother is one of the strongest people she knows and she will always stand by her mother. During the lockdown, a video of Shweta reuniting with her co-star Farhan Khan surfaced the internet that acted like a treat for the fans. But what they actually thought was a surprise meeting was actually a full planned out meeting between Farhan and Shweta, as shared by ex-husband Abhinav Kohli. On 5th June, as reported by Telechakra itself, Shweta and co-star Farhan reunited and the fans simply loved the reunion. But seems like that there was a different side of the story जो श्वेता के ex-husband अभिनव ने हमारे साथ share किया। अभिनव made a statement and said the meeting was planned as they both met under Abhinav and Shweta's house. Abhinav also said, I wouldn't want to talk much about it right now, but yes, there will be more posts in the near future for the viewers to have a clarity to it. And for the record, Farhan and Shweta didn't just bump into each other. It was a planned meeting below our residence. 1 second. Did Abhinav just mention our residence? Exactly. That's the exact way we guys thought about. Abhinav's quote had left us wondering and in deep confusion, which led us to dig more, and what we came to know about actually shocked and confused us even more. Shweta Tiwari and Abhinav Kohli were living in together as conveyed by ex-husband Abhinav Kohli. We contacted Abhinav yet again, and after a lot of persuasion, Abhinav said, listen, we are not separated. We are staying together. Confirmed Abhinav. On further asking, Abhinav ended the talk by just saying, well, I can't speak much about it right now. In response to Abhinav's statement, Shweta took it to her social media handles and shared a picture of a few lines from a book. She highlighted the lines that read, as long as the people who matter the most know the truth, I don't care about the rest. Get some sleep. With everything that is going on currently with Abhinav Kohli making all the explosive posts, one could connect the dots and understand what Shweta was hinting at. After all, the brawl happening over the issue, we got in touch with Shweta to know her side of the story, and she said, well, आजकल कोई भी कुछ भी बोल देता है, वो छप जाता है, and this shows at the capacity of lying. While Abhinav has openly said that he's going to share more videos and explosive social media posts in future, Shweta and Palak are yet to comment on the same. As reported in the news, the couple faced trouble in their marriage in the month of August. Shweta and her daughter Palak lodged a complaint against Abhinav for domestic violence. However, Abhinav recently took it to the social media to clarify that Shweta did never launch a complaint against him. Well, he wrote, I read a few news articles today. It is not Shweta Tiwari who has made the complaint. She has not even one complaint of domestic violence against me, not a single complaint of me speaking badly to her daughter against me in the past 12 years that I know of her. On 11th of August 2019, she did not complain and complaint has been read out to the DCP Sahab on the same day, which is on the internet. In conversation with Telechakra, Abhinav had mentioned that Shweta did not register any complaint, but daughter Palak did. Even though Abhinav has been quite vocal about the issues that has been happening between Shweta and him, Shweta has been low-key. In conversation with a leading portal, Shweta had cleared that she and Abhinav stay in the same locality, not in the same house. Later, Abhinav was also seen pleading to Shweta on social media as the actress had blocked him on WhatsApp and Abhinav was too desperate to see his son, and a video call was the only resort of the same during the lockdown phase. Abhinav was also seen blaming Palak Tiwari for his differences with wife Shweta Tiwari, and this is something that upsetted Shweta to another level and she lashed out on him. She clearly said, "Do not say a word about my daughter. Respect that thing at least." Well, it seems like that the internet war between the two of them and the blame game amongst them is completely still on. But we can only hope and expect that the two of them resolve their issues soon and that no child, be it Palak or Riyansh, suffers in this brawl. You stay tuned to Telechakkar to know what will unfold next. All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.